Health Nuts, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicole and today we are talking salads. I am gonna be sharing with you guys a recipe that I kind of just made on the fly. I was making dinner on a Sunday night for my family and I kind of just threw this together with leftover ingredients from my healthy spring grocery haul. If you didn't watch that video, I will link it down below and in the iCard here. And I basically picked up a bunch of really vibrant, fresh produce from the grocery store that inspired me to make this salad. And that's sometimes how I get inspired. A lot of you guys ask me, how do I come up with my recipes? And sometimes it's just in my kitchen, using the ingredients I have on hand, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. In this case, it definitely worked and it turned out so good. There was like a little bit of salad left that Matt totally like saved for lunch the next day, but everyone had seconds and it was so tasty that I knew I had to share it with you guys. So we are making my citrus fennel spring salad. This is definitely a salad that you will want on your dinner plate this season. And in case you didn't know, we recently just launched the Cookbook Diaries, which is gonna be a whole series of episodes talking about all the behind the scenes that happened in creating this amazing cookbook. So we already launched the first one. I'll link it down below and you guys can check them out on the last Friday of every single month. So get your copy if you haven't already. As an extra thank you, we are giving away a 20% off gift card to the HealthNut shop when you pre-order the HealthNut cookbook. So more details down below. Just want to give it a shout out and I'm just so proud of it. So thank you so much if you already pre-ordered. It means the world. All right, without further ado, let's hop right into the recipe. So for this salad, I'm gonna be starting off with a base of romaine lettuce. I love this lettuce. It's super crunchy and hydrating, and it's a great base for any salad. Next up, we have some sliced cucumbers. I'm basically just thinly slicing all of the vegetables in the salad to make it just really easy to eat and get all those flavors in every bite. Next up, I have some thinly sliced fennel. Fennel has like a slight anise/black licorice taste, but so much fresher. I don't even like black licorice, but I love this vegetable. Then I'm adding in some sliced aloha peppers, which have a really cool yellow and red design on them. Sliced radishes, sliced oranges. You could also use grapefruit for the salad. Green onion, which is just a lighter onion flavor. And although this may look like fresh dill, it's actually the fronds, which are like the top parts of the fennel, and you don't wanna throw those out. Save those and chop them up and add them to your salad. They're really pretty and they add some extra flavor and texture. Lightly toss everything together just to make sure everything is well mixed, and then we're gonna move on to our salad dressing. All right, so for the dressing, I'm adding in one of my favorite go-to salad dressing ingredients, tahini. I'm also adding in some fresh orange juice. I just squeezed this myself. It's just so much better fresh. Then we have some apple cider vinegar. This is like a staple in my fridge. I have it at all times. And then some grainy Dijon mustard. Adding in some water just to help thin it out without having to add extra oil since the tahini is quite oily and fatty. Pinch of sea salt and black pepper. And then just give it a good whisk with a fork to combine until creamy smooth. And I of course forgot an ingredient. Also, you wanna add a little bit of maple syrup. This is optional. It just really helps balance out the tartness from the vinegar and the orange juice. And this is what it should look like when it's all mixed together. Then all you have to do is just drizzle it all over your large spring salad and give it a good toss to combine. And serve this as is. You can serve it as a side to some grilled chicken or salmon on the barbecue, whatever you like. This is the perfect salad for spring. There you have it, my delicious, super fresh citrus fennel spring salad. I know you guys are gonna love this one. And what's really nice about this salad is that you can enjoy it the next day since a lot of the vegetables in it are really crunchy, like the radish, the fennel, the peppers, so they're not gonna go soggy. And I find the romaine even stays nice and fresh and crunchy. So it's a great salad to have leftovers the next day. And of course you can store the dressing on the side, but it's delicious. You guys will love it. It will make you want to eat salads all season long. So I will have the full recipe linked down below for you guys to print, save, share it, pin it, whatever you have to do, go check it out, make it. I know you guys will love it. And be sure to subscribe to this channel. You can hit that red subscribe button down below. I post here weekly every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy salad making. Bye guys.